This is an air fan and it's made by Wolfbox. So what's it for and is it any good? Today we're going to find out. So this is essentially the electric version of compressed air. Compressed air is used to clean motherboards, keyboards, to blow dust off the screen, and even to clean gadgets and cameras. So where I make my videos is basically in the corner of the kitchen. I literally have a tiny little space and I try to keep it clean, as because it's so small it tends to get really cluttered really fast. I generally use an Hoover, one of them little mini Hoovers, and that does quite a good job. But as you can see behind me, I have a pegboard. And on the pegboard, I store most of my tripods and a lot of my other gear. It would be quite hard to hoover while it's up there. So I generally have to take everything down, dust it, clean it, blow the dust off them. I also use it to clean the back of my monitor. You can use it to blow the dust out the vents and off the top. Also, when I clean the monitor screen, before I use monitor wipe, I blow away the dust, because if you don't, you can tend to drag that around the screen and that can cause micro scratches. So blowing the dust before you actually wipe the monitor screen is a better way of preventing scratches during the cleaning process. So the design of the fan is plastic on the outside, although it's quite hard plastic. It has orange highlights around the fan intake and the fan outlet. It fits comfortably in the hand. The fan is priced at £50, which equates to around $67, and I'll leave a link in the description below in case you want to go and check it out. On the rear of the fan you have a button. This adjusts the level. The fan has 3 levels and they're indicated by the 3 LEDs on the side. Once you've selected the level, look at the front and there's a trigger button. You keep your finger on this and that activates the fan. The charging port is located at the back of the fan above the level button, and it's a USB-C port. In the box, it comes supplied with a charging cable and 3 interchangeable heads. And to change the head, you just turn and the head will unclip. To attach another head, you just put the head to the fan and twist and it will clip in place. So the fan itself is quite powerful, and I was trying to think of a way that I could show this on camera. So I came up with a little test, which is not very scientific, but it's the only thing I could think of, and I'm going to get into that now. Overall, I think it's a great little gadget. It's great for keeping things free of dust. You can also use it to pump up, blow up mattresses. You get a special nozzle for that as well. Please consider subscribing and dropping us a like. Also turn on notifications so you'll get notified when I make other review videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.